Welcome! Today I am with OPPO Find X2 Pro and I will show you how you can apply tempered glass on your display in this smartphone. So as you can see here we got the curved display, but I will use flat version of the screen protector. It's not the best solution, but it will also protect this part of the screen. So when you open your tempered glass, you can find for sure the tempered glass, and you will find wipes, wet and dry, and also it will be good if you prepare additional wipe, something like that. So at first we are going to use wet one. Open it, then just clean your screen like that, make gestures in the circle, next let's move to the dry one. Okay, right now we have to move to the additional wipe and just clean the screen. Okay, as you can see right now, this display looks really good. It's really in really good condition. So we can grab our tempered glass, and we have to take off this foil at the first. And there we go. Right now, just put it like that. You can move it a little bit. And just put it like that. And as you can see, that's how it works. That's how it goes. And of course, on the edges we will get the air bubbles here because it's curved display. Right now we have to get this wipe and just press it hard and move for the display, for the tempered glass. And there it is. After a few moments we can use the smartphone. So as you can see, it was very simple, but of course I recommend you to buy the curved tempered glass. It will be looks just better. And if you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.